Recording is on.
It's Sunday, May the 7th. This is Wikispeed Standup, 2023. Over to you.
Hey, it's Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. For the past week, I haven't done a whole lot. I did post stand-up for last week, and I worked on the knitting machine. I updated the web server program with a couple of a GitHub repository and a YouTube video that I linked to. I'm not done yet. Basically, it got rid of everything that I had done and required a rewrite. So I'm just trying to take the example code and modify it to show what we want. But it seems to do a pretty good job of updating asynchronously whenever there's an input that's changed or a button that's pressed. So that's kind of what we want. And Trello updates, I didn't do any Trello updating, but again, I didn't get anything done last week, so I guess we're about even. Next week, I am still looking to get the tank level, my TF Luna communicating with the Fire Beetle and figure out why it stopped. And the knitting machine, I'm looking to update the web server to automatically display and then get it tested and some video taken. And blocks. It's warm outside, so I'm doing yard work, and my part-time job is taking more time than I was hoping it was going to take, but I mean, it ebbs and flows. It doesn't really matter. Anyway, back to you.
Okay, Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And I didn't get a lot done, but I did restart and start using the IDE, the Arduino IDE that I downloaded with Snap, and that worked. Seems to work, but it keeps giving me a message about a file I can't find, an include file I can't find. So we'll talk about that in Crosstalk. Coming week, again, I don't know how much I'm going to get done. I may be back out in the field like I was this past week. Then blocks are I was driving around up and down Trans-Canada Highway and working on a couple other projects. I had a music lesson today. And yeah, so then back to you.
Okay. What I got done was 2 out of 7, which is not quite 3. 1 for attending stand-up, so that gives me a 4 out of 10. Team, I'll go with an 8. And process improvement, that really isn't a process improvement. It's just more of a reminder. Keeping Trello updated so that if new members join, they have something that they can look through and perhaps participate in. Back to you.
So I'm about a 5, 5 or 6, so 5. Team and 8 and process improvement. Imagine where we would be that we would want to start inviting again, encouraging people to come on and join us, and how we do that. And so that's it for me. I'm going to save the recording.
Okay.